So this is my third attempt at soldering an eMMC BGA chip, and it just dropped it. That's okay. If the chip fell off, it wasn't going to work anyway. There it is. And it's still attached. So let's try it. Nothing? Nothing at all? Did I lose a part? Oh, my oscillator shorted out. Looks like the crystal got shorted out right there, so I better go fix that. That little thing right there needs to be touched up. This lead-free solder makes it kind of difficult to work with, but I add a little bit of this kind, and everything flows better. Nice. It lit up this time. Oh, it's seeing something. Let me try pulling it out. Putting it back in. There. Ooh. There's something. What is that? What have we got here? That is a lot of partitions. It's it says 2 gigabytes. Okay. And what are the names on this? Free, healthy, 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 healthy. Free, healthy, healthy, healthy. Something else. Okay. So I might need to use a different tool to format this, but it looks like I got it to work. And then it went away. Let me work on this for a minute. Figure out what's going on. So this was out of a cell phone. This was out of an old cell phone. No, wait, I think this, I don't remember where I got this one exactly. But now I got 2 green things, and I don't know what that means. Extended partition. Properties. Volumes. Huh. So, yeah, it seems like it's kind of working. I'm just going to go reflow this one more time. Try to get it to make contact. It's probably just one or 2 connections. Okay, it's starting to boil out now. You turned up the heat and turned the pressure down because I don't want to blow the chip away off the board. Okay. That looks like it did it. Yeah.
Oh, I brought you some things.
This
is a bug killer and light.
I built this. That's my first flash drive.
Oh, flash drive.
Yeah.
Why, they're so cheap. Why would you want to build
It's the skill. Yeah, that chip came out of a cell phone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is a bug zapper.
A bug zapper?
Bug zapper light that I bought.
Cool.
I just stuck it.
We are redoing the wiring in the garage, and I'm going to put my equipment in there. So I can
things straightened up enough to be able to do that.
So I can have all my stuff locked up and organized, and then nobody can be blamed for my unorganization.
This is true.
Yeah. Here we go. Woohoo! It showed up. Okay. Now I just need to find some software to format this. So it's SDG.
Mm-hmm.
How do you know it's that one?
Because that's the last drive on there.
The last drive that's been connected? Or
I just
Okay.
loaded it on there, so
So it's showing the 2 gigabytes like I was seeing also.
Mm-hmm.
And oh, it also shows the 1 kilobyte one too. That's weird. And okay, so it's showing a 1.5 and a 500?
it's showing you have a 1.5 gig extended partition.
Yeah, that's what I saw in Windows also. And then there was like a 300 megabyte unallocated.
That sounds about right.
Can you describe what you're doing a little bit?
I was pulling it up in a different program. That's a GNU partition editor. And so I'm seeing right here, there's our dev STG. That's the model right there, multiple card reader. It's a SCSI device.
Okay.
And I'm seeing it has that same partition starting at 320, and it actually is about 2 gigs.
All right. So are we able to delete everything and just do a single drive, full format?
Yeah, I'll just do that in Gpart. It'll probably be easiest.
Okay.
And so we'll just
perfect. Yeah, I would have done this if I had the software ready like I used to have.
came out okay. Okay, that all looks normal.
Have you did a format yet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you a full format? That was no way a full format.
I mean, it's LBA, so it's not like it doesn't actually do low-level stuff.
No, that's what I need to have done. Or I'll do that part, I guess, once it's already...
That can happen. I can just, like, DD it, I guess.
Yeah.
It should be good, though.
Every
like
single bit needs to be written to and checked. Well, that's what I want anyway. It's the first one I ever got to... the first one I got to solder. Got the solder to stick to it. So this is my third try with the same PCB, but the second memory chip I tried. Okay, is there a speed indication or something?
Right up here, racing device.
Okay,
0.9%.
perfect. Here we go. So it's running at around 5.4 megabytes a second.
Mm-hmm. And that's just a block for block. Or sorry, byte for byte.
Bit.
Okay,
Bit by bit.
Bit by bit.
Actually, block by block. Because it's
That'd be like all your,
because
all
it's
your drives.
There's a flash memory. Can we see like a graphical chart of all the little ones and zeros?
Probably. I don't know how that. I'm just remembering there used to be a program that did that.
That's okay. Let's just
Yeah,
let this finish, and then hopefully it will find some errors at least. So I keep mixing up the two. eMMC, which is what this is, has an embedded controller, so it doesn't need to be scanned like a raw NAND chip that has errors but are unknown to the controller when it's changed from one system to another. I think this internally has the known bad sections of the chip. That's what makes it embedded. Or I mean, MMC.
Yeah, I know NAND has it's just has.
It's an SD card. It's a embedded SD card, pretty much. Where'd it go?
Oh.
Everything's so foreign to me here.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, I'll pause it here. It'll take another few minutes. Oh, here it is.
Oh, there's one.
So you need the data recovered off of this one?
Yes. Yeah.
This is my old phone. So watch out, your foot. So I can do cell phone data recovery now. This is proof. Okay, it's all done. I'm gonna go work on the phone. So get the data recovered from the phone. It's done.
Do you want to be able to use it?
I can format it from here.
Oh, okay.
It's just as long as the other one was cleared out. That's the only thing I couldn't do with Windows natively.
Do you want to benchmark it?
It's 5.4 megabytes per second.
Okay.
Alright, I went ahead and put my drive in a more attractive case. The other one kind of fell apart, and so this time I glued the board down at the front and the back so that it doesn't come loose and fall apart. And this is called the Pamperchew 2 gigabyte data fish drive, model 0, and it's made up of other counterfeit pieces, except this part's not counterfeit, that's real. Put this little fish head on it. And I'm going to now start pulling these apart to get the memory chips out of them so I can do some data recovery for a few customers. This was the first successful BGA, and now I'm going to try with actual data that's important and do a recovery.